Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 3.1 and I'll show you how to enable unknown sources. So starting off, we'll go into settings, put on the notification bar till you see this little gear icon right here and tap on it to go into settings. And from here we want to go into apps and notifications and go down, tap on advanced to expand the list, go again down into specific or special access, and you should see right here install unknown apps right here. So tap on it, and now we get to choose which apps get the permission to install apps from unknown sources. So assuming you, let's say, download an app from Chrome, you will actually need to have Chrome enabled to unknown sources, and probably files too, because it will be used later on to look for the file and actually install it. So you can actually tap on it and then install like so, or not install but check it, and like so as well here. And if you will use some other app, for instance, that doesn't have a ID app, unknown app enabled, the device will actually ask you to enable it. So it will redirect you straight to basically this screen, to whatever the app actually requires it. So that is basically how you enable the unknown access for apps. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.